Almost got it. Look at that. That works much better. You know, I seem to go back and forth, right? Like oh, look at there. It took me out of the picture. I guess that's an ultimate green screen. Oh, there's some green screen. So I had to use the right settings for one. I do love. Check this out. This cracks me up. Pretzel Rocks always has these great messages. Thrashing code is greater than the Horde and Alliance combined. Yep, yes I am. Greater than both. So how's audio? Is audio okay now? It sounds like it ought to be okay. I mean, it seems like it ought to be okay. Let's see what happens if I do this. For the Horde. Yeah, okay. I guess everything is working better than I thought it was at first. Criminy. Also, good to see Brad Wilson, 72. Hello, Frackberg. I love it. Ouch. Hack up a lung there. I love the intro music too. It's pretty spectacular. That's why I put it there. Also, what is that little devil thing? Oh, today is a day of celebration too. On Twitch, I now have 666 followers. So, like the magic number. Making tendies for tots for dinner? Frackberg, what the hell are tendies? Tots are potatoes, right? Like hash potatoes? Something like that. And yes, Brad Wilson 72, absolutely. It is so beer time, it's not even funny. Tendies? Chicken tenders and tater tots, that's what that is? You're shitting me. That's hilarious sounding. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if my son will ever eat tendies and tots, but he will eat the flesh of the dead that I bring into the house, of the chickens and other beasts of burden that I have chosen to feast upon. Actually, it sounds pretty tasty. Chicken tenders and tater tots. There's some nice, like some nice barbecue sauce in there or something. I don't know, some type of sauce. You just got a wicked combo then. What generate name do you give kids now? Have we rotated back to Generation A? You know, yeah, we're like on Gen Z, but they just, I don't know. They just make that shit up, right? I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, by the way, I just ate spicy food. If you're wondering why I'm dying, it was delicious though. Vindaloo Day 2 for the win. So, hey, do either of y'all know TypeScript? Do y'all use TypeScript? I agree, Foo Force. I agree 1000%. Spicy food for the win. Aren't you like 92 or something, Frackberg? I mean, I know you're not 92, but I'm just being a smart ass. I have TypeScript a bit, nowhere near an expert. Yeah, I am a noob. Oh, that's good. Not quite 40 yet. So, yeah, the last time I typed script, I think, was when TypeScript was released. When was that? Oh, God. Probably, I think. Which, by the way, what does 72 designate on your name there, Brad Wilson? Okay, I was kind of, figuring that might be what it is. So yeah, you got Oldster creds, I think, at this point. I don't know who else is in chat here. I've never used TypeScript on purpose. Well, I think I'm going to use some of it today. So check this out. Anyway, I created this inget directorate, and it just has this stuff in it so far, but we're going to have to change it and tweak it around a little bit. Vampire, eh? Yeah, that's good. That's good. I mean, I get a little bit of that vampirical stuff every once in a while. So yesterday, the thing that happened was this. We were whipping through some code, and I made this directory. I used Nux.js, the create app Nux.js thing. I put it in a directory called directorate, but then I moved it back to root because for Vue.js, it looks like this needs to be the root. So I put it back here. And in here also is, there it is, my Hasura migration directory. So that's for our database and stuff. That's all great. We pull it up in code. Got my Docker Compose too, so we can do local dev. And I'm gonna actually do this. It's here, Docker, Compose, up-d. I think I got it working yesterday too. So I'm going with Postgres 11, because eventually I think I might deploy this to Azure, I might deploy it to AWS. I'm not really sold yet, but I know Postgres 11 is supported fully in RDS and Azure from their managed services offering, which I do want to use whenever I do deploy this at some point. And then I might deploy it in AWS and then use it in conjunction with the Hasura cloud offering. So I might do that. I'm not really sure. The architecture is a little up in the air, and a lot of decisions to be made still. Also, hello, Jackie Chop Chop. How are you? What are you chopping, Jackie? And also, is that a cat in your avatar? I think it's a cat. Good that you're doing pretty good. The database URL. Oh, there's the database URL. And then did I do? I'm just checking. I'm trying to catch up with where I was at because I really don't. A cat on a pan, hot cat in the heat there. Yeah, it looks like I didn't upgrade those yet. So I'm about to go full metadata here. I might update that. But also, I don't know if y'all use Nux.js, how do you tell what version of Vue.js it's using? Like, it put all this stuff in here. Let's look that up, actually. I want to find out. I'm just get my bearings here of what I have set up. Because I did all this stuff yesterday on stream. And we talked through it. Hey, Chinmay Bartak. How goes it? And yeah, so I did all this stuff on stream, and then got to the end, but then I was kind of like, what did I actually do? What did some of the underlying things do from Nux.js? So just kind of a quick recap, since Jackie Chop Chop asked. Basically, I set up using the Nux.js command line thing, which is like create Nux.js app or whatever. And I put it all in this project directory right here. So it puts all this stuff in here, middleware, blah, blah, blah. This directory is not required. You can delete it. Okay, cool. Layouts. There's the default view layout, things like that. Do we want to do? Yeah, let's install this. That sounds like it might be useful, so we're going to install that. What did I? Yeah, I don't. At this point, I don't look at my career anymore. I just think about what I'm doing today and tomorrow. Because honestly, to be blunt, like 99% of the tech industry has built stuff that amounts to no impact, except questionable things. Anyway, I'm not going to down that path. That's going to get way too metal. So anyway, I get this thing built, and and or not built, but I started the project, so I haven't even ran it yet. But I also did another thing here. Okay, that's added, so now we can see view files. Oh yeah, so it color codes it and stuff there. Then this says it's not required, but anyway, we got it there. I added the Hasura migrations directory, which I actually need to go in and probably update that. I don't think it has, yeah, because it doesn't have multi-database support. And we should have multi-database support. Assets. Oh yeah, nothing's in there yet, because that's just like, I'll put my images and stuff in there. Then test, I set up Jest for test. I don't know what a store is for. Maybe data store, static stuff, okay, like the fave icon, etc. Plugins, nothing here. A lot of directories that can be deleted though, which is kind of funny. I know, right, Frackberg? No existential crises on stream. But honestly, like, there ain't no existential crisis right here. I'm just calling it like it is. Is the OS Ubuntu? It is indeed Ubuntu. Yes, yes indeed. I've changed like the background and a few little things. Like I haven't done much, but you know, like changed the background, set it to dark theme, the new dark theme, because I think it's 20.04 or 20.10, one or the other. I don't know. I don't actually remember at this point. Oh, there's some. Did it run it? I didn't even look when I did that. So I ran that. It looks like, oh, something's broke. Oh, criminy. So I keep doing that. So anyway, we'll look at that in just a second. So let's do Docker. Whoops. Docker compose down. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad looking. They haven't changed a whole lot though. Just trying to change the mood. Oh, don't worry. I'll take the dark mood any day. My sense of humor is about as deathly disturbing as possible. But hey, I'm a real chipper fella, so you know I can turn it around in a heartbeat, like at the flip of a coin or the drop of a hat, flip of a coin. I don't know. One of those sayings. I mean, I think someone experienced me in this situation, and it was very telling of my very, what is it, laconic wit, I think is what it is. I think it's what they call it. But there was this time where I was driving, and I told the person before that I got in the car, I was like, if you want me to do a top run, your top speed run, you haven't really configured your car for the track, but I'll give it a try anyway, and I'm going to push it. And you know, as things happen, I may destroy your car. Who knows? Who knows what may happen? Then you know, I basically, you know, is out there. It's a good friend of mine, so honor bound to, you know, tell him that I may smash his stuff. We had kind of been building the car together too. It's an S14, lowered a little bit, wheels cambered out appropriately, but a little too much up in the back, so we didn't quite have good downplane pressure on the car. Anyway, I went to the track, and I pulled out onto the track with the car, dropped a hammer. The SR20 DT engine and the turbo spooled accordingly, and I went thrashing down the track. Got up to about buck 10, came to first turn, made it through just fine, whipped through some chicanes, and got all around the course, made it through the back, came through, got onto the straight, ran it up, hit about a buck 30 this time, which I was like, this is pretty good, this car's doing pretty good. And then I did this, got that second lap in, and on the third lap, you know, I was running, was doing good, and then, as happens sometimes when you're in the particular state that I was in, a torrential downpour occurred, And it was not like the mere little rains that we get. Even the kind of heavier rains that we get here in Seattle or in Portland. It's not like those piddly little weak things. It's like taking a massive battleship of water and dumping it onto the racetrack is what it was like. So as I came into the rear turn coming back onto the straight, I had this downpour hit me, and it was basically like driving into a wall. Clear as day. It starts to shift onto the track. I had been focused, so I had not really noticed, as you do when you're racing a car at an extreme, and the rain hit hard, and you just heard it wash over the car. And I tried to let off the gas just right to balance amidst this new rain, and as the slicks began to appear on the track, I exited that rear turn, and the ass of the car came around with no downplane pressure, spun around, and I was driving backwards. Ironically, not the first time I was in a position like this in a car. And I hit the wall, the outer retaining wall of the straight, probably doing about 50 miles per hour still, so it hurt. And I hit it, spun the car around, came to a stop, back of the car decimated. Stopped, I looked around with my Schnell helmet on, and it's like, well, at least run it up, nothing's on fire. I kind of wiggled my feet like this. I wiggled my hands like this, make sure stuff's, intact. Kind of did this, make sure I hadn't, broken any bones like you do in an incident. Kind of just gentle wiggling so you don't actually hurt yourself if you are injured. And then I was like, I'm fine. So I looked out the side window and I popped the door open. Gave it a little extra nudge because it's, the car is kind of bent up now and it didn't want to open. I got out. My buddy come running up to me. And his good friend, so he's actually asking like, hey, you okay? You okay? That looked bad. Are you okay? And I'm looking around and I'm like, yeah, your car's fucked up. So it's fast though. Was fast. I'm gonna get a beer now. That was my response. And like a good friend that he is, we went and sat down at the little tower thing for the track. Called the tow truck people to come get his demolished car and had a beer. Oh man, I have so many stories like that. And as was mentioned earlier, beer needs to happen at IRL again sooner than later because holy crap. Oh, what happened? I moved and the sun in my screen backdrop moved and everything. Okay, so story aside of almost death and my laconic wit, yeah, you can basically tell me anything and I'll be like, ooh, okay. Was raised that way. All that good stuff. All right. So what were we doing after that deathly story? So I got all this Nuxt.js stuff, right? But how do I? Let's move myself back down to a requisite size here. Okay. Oh, I want to find out. Oh, man. So I've never been on a motorcycle when it's wrecked, but I've been in incidents where a motorcycle dude was running with me on the track and he spun out. Afterwards, he had a very similar reaction. And I'm all checking on him like, you okay? And I stopped and he spun out. It's a different track, different day. And what did I do? I came around the turn and I saw it had happened, so I immediately started to feather the brakes and get slowed down so I could actually do more of a maneuver if I needed to go around him or whatever. And he had all his leathers on and his the armor things you have, whatever they're called. So he slid on the track. And he immediately stood up and moved to the side so he doesn't get hit if somebody's coming along. And I just pull down, I pull up and open the window and I'm like, you okay? You know, like you do, you check on somebody. And I remember he said something like, I think I need a lift. Smart ass. Oh. But yeah, you gotta be careful with the motorcycle wrecks. Those things get like 10x worse, 10x fast. Whew. But yeah, so yeah, God, it's Friday. I can tell because I'm getting so distracted so fast, the distractions. Sliding, but also getting out of the way because right, right, yeah, it's well stated. It's that balance, that careful balance of like, I'm intact, I'm sliding. Do I? Are they coming? Is someone else wrecking still? Like, so much is playing out all at once. So yeah, damn it. Oh, Vue.js, Next.js. Let's see here. Next.js. Vue.js version. You know, I miss driving the race cars sometimes. But then, like, I get out on my bicycle, and, you know, I get cranking on that, and if I want to, I can ride so hard that the intensity is kind of badass. And the perverse irony, even in old America, I love to, like, race averages and other people through cities. Like, I can make it from South Lake Union to Soto faster than any other mode of transport. And it's kind of nuts. Sometimes I have to break a rule, run a light, but it's also kind of interesting because I'm on a person-powered bicycle. All these other things have all this 1 billion horsepower, and the infrastructure is designed against me being able to be faster than those modes. Ironically, you know, it's built to make it faster for cars to go across cities and stuff. Even Seattle is still oriented that way. And I still totally can kick ass doing that. And it's a lot of fun. It's intense. And I don't have to spend, you know, gazillion bucks on my 600 horsepower 350Z that I used to have. You know, that type of thing, which I don't have that anymore. It's been a while. Hello, Semi-Polish. Thank you for the 1 bit. Does that give you a pole position in the leadership? Does it still show where those things are on the like a leaderboard or whatever? Where those things are on the. Oh God! I opened up Twitch to look, and I started talking to myself, and it's the freakiest thing ever. Yeah, I mean, honestly, like if that's not your reaction when you wreck, a lot of the time, you probably should stop doing it. Like if you're super freaked out, you're gonna die not wrecking, right? Like somebody that gets super freaked out by that type of stress, not a good situation. Or like if adrenaline is pumped into someone's system, it makes them puke, they gotta stay away from that kind of stuff. Your body will end you. It's so weird. But yeah, sadly second. Where is it? It doesn't, like I can't see it. Where is it supposed to be at? Oh, there it is. I have to hit the little arrow now because there's a gift sub now to be #1. Oh, I can gift sub? Gift a sub. How do I do this? I have to pay for it? I own the channel. Why do I have to pay for it? Can't I just gift a sub? Gift a, what? Let's see here. Well, how? Damn it. Oh, I don't know if this is right. What? How does this work? Damn it. Okay, I'm done messing with that. I'm trying to do something, sort of. I feel like I'm babbling. But anyway, so what I'm trying to figure out, and maybe you can help, Semi-Polish. Yeah, I do get back half of it. Well, sort of, right? If I'm past $100 a month or whatever the rule is. Let's see here, 2.15. Deep merge runtime config, blah, blah, blah. God, why is this so... This isn't really what I want to know. I want to know docs, content features, deployment. Oh, dear goodness. Oh, check it out. Static, Azure Portal Server. Static and server. Oh, this is good stuff, though. I'm stoked to see this. A Netlify in there. Probably, I might use Netlify. They're tops. I like them. So we did this, or no, I didn't do this. I went through this with Vue.js, and then we did, this is basically what we did. Create Nuxt app project name. Create Nuxt app. What does this do? Right. Actually, this is what I did, the npx thing, right? As a UI to interact with Git. Okay, this is one of those things that has two answers. Yes, there are tools you can use to interact with Git. I promise you, learn how to use CLI first. Spend 6 months using it as the command line interface first. If you use a UI, you will forever not be able to find out about parts of Git that you should understand before they are hidden from you, because a UI will hide parts of Git, and it will put you at a disadvantage if you need to actually use any of the specific parts of Git, or if the UI behaves in a weird way, which happens a lot with different UIs, because UIs tend to like to change the name of Git functions and features and capabilities. So it tricks you into thinking Git's doing things, and it mismatches stuff. So I promise you, use Git as a command line tool for at least 6 months. Then go find UIs. On that note, I have been using Git for more years than I will count. Actually, I will count. Let's hear. Git release date. Linus Torvalds, initial release April 7, 2005. I started using Git approximately 2007. I was in Portland at a place called, hold on, we gotta remember what this is. It's I think like the Shanghai Tavern. Super badass place, really awesome. And I want to know if it's still there. So let's hear. Yeah, I was coding with crew, and we were hacking together some stuff in, ironically, no, not ironically, Ruby on Rails. Yeah, 2007. So, and I still don't even use like 90% of Git. I just use like the core functionality. What is it? It's right here. What? Why does that say a parking lot? That's not, oh, not that, there. Oh yes, Shanghai Tunnel Bar. It is still there. This place is a total fave, right? Let's see if they got pictures of this place. Yeah, so you go in this door right here, right? And then, oh yeah, and see they got a little seating area outside, super chill, but then you go downstairs into this dark bar, and it's so chill and so awesome. The food's pretty good. Oh, and there's a little street right beside it, which is awesome too. Hey, welcome to the pit. Thanks for joining. Thrashing Code. Is it Lestrasius? Yeah, so there's the upstairs, right? You can sit here and drink a beer, like, and just chill. That's up at like ground level. But then, yeah, like downstairs has this like dark vibe to it. Pinball machines. It's, you know, now that I think about it, the grub there and the bar, it's probably one of my more favorite places. Is that a, yeah, it is, an Opeth shirt. Hell yeah. So anyway, you get the idea. It's a bar that's like so rock and roll and so metal, and it's not even like trying to be rock and roll metal. It just is. But I digress. That's where I learned Git. And it was over like 4 beers, and one of the people with in a Ruby company was real into it, and they were like, you got to check this shit out. So they showed it to me, and I'm like, I'm kind of sold. I might use this. And then I started using it, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh my God, this is so much better than all the other garbage source control systems. So I switched, and I haven't looked back since. There is the other distributed source control, which is pretty cool, but I mean, Git kind of took off, so I just stuck with it. So on this note, I'm still finding this detail here. Rendering, test framework, okay. I did the GitHub Actions. I don't remember what I did here. I think I did Dependabot. And then I did Jamstack. I did SPA. Then I did Jest. And I did ESLint because I don't really want anything linting me at this point because I don't know what I'm doing. Progressive Web App, did that because, yep. And then Tailwind, because everybody's talking about Tailwind these days. It's like the hottest, awesomest thing ever. You have an Opeth hockey jersey? That is so badass. You know, when I moved up here, I was kind of like, hockey, meh, whatevs. But you know, between the Canadians and between seeing a few hockey games, I've really kind of gotten into hockey. Like, I will go to games when we do those types of things again. And I will go to games and I will drink beer. Hockey's pretty badass. I like it. I can imagine in Michigan, I mean, that's basically Canada, right? Oh, and then I picked TypeScript because I don't know TypeScript, and this stream right now, these series of streams, 100 Days of Coding, is all about me and us figuring out like what the hell with some of this stuff. So, and then I picked Yarn as a package manager. It doesn't say what version. Right, right. Obviously, it's in there because it's with npm 1,000 years ago. Nuxt Edge instead of Nux. Wait, so is Nuxt Edge gonna be? Let's go see what this is. Nuxt Edge. Community documentation, Twitter. Should I just hot code reloading, automatic transpilation, and bundling with Webpack and Babel? Server-side or single-page app or static generated, you choose. Static file serving. Configurable with Nuxt.js. Custom layouts, middleware, code splitting for every page. Zzz. Loading, just critical CSS, page level. Learn more at Nuxt.js. Okay, get started with this. I wonder if I should do that. Well, let's see what this does. Let's do Nuxt. What does it say? Oh, Nuxt build. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. What? Come on. 250 hours. I'm not hiring anybody to do it. I'm doing it. Sauce Labs. That's a Portland company. It was at one point. I don't know. NPX Nux, maybe? Instead of running Nux, you probably want to build ahead of time. Therefore, build and starting with our separate commands. Learn more at production deployment. Yeah, production deployment. Yarn build. Okay, let's do NPX. NPX Nuxt build. Yeah, I agree. Sauce Labs is pretty cool. What? Collects completely anonymous data about usage. This will help us improve Nuxt developer experience over time. You know, whatever, sure. You can watch whatever I'm doing. All right, let's get more of this on screen here. Okay, progress. First steps. Warning already, great. Conservative purge mode will be removed in Tailwind 2. I'm not using Tailwind 2, am I? I'm using like Tailwind 3. What version did they pick? Yeah. You know, I'm gonna take a trip on that long, slow train in Canada from Vancouver over to Toronto, Montreal. No, wait, what's the place close to Detroit? Anyway, the place close to Detroit, it's Toronto, right? Toronto, yeah, Toronto, because Quebec is where Montreal is, right? And then from there, I'm going to cross the border, you know, back into the country, if America let me back in, and then go from Detroit to Chicago. I'm going to ride the Wolverine train, and then Chicago, ride the Empire Builder back to Seattle. So maybe that's not what I'm thinking. Maybe it is what I'm thinking. I don't know. Hey, so the build finished way faster than it took to install the whole project to begin with. I don't know. That's a good question. Let's look. Let's look. I feel like getting sidetracked today, so we're gonna look and find out more information and be smarter. It is 100 days of code, but it's 100 days of code about how to be smart and do stuff. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Ontario, Canada. Yeah, it is the one, because yeah, you got Hamilton, and then Detroit's down here. So then London, and what is the little place over here? It's called Windsor. Windsor is what I was trying to think of. So like, there's trains multiple times a day from Toronto down to London to here. And then also the other crazy train, which goes from Vancouver, it goes like Vancouver, Calgary, Saskatoon, Regina. I think it might even go up to Edmonton, then Saskatoon, Regina, Winnipeg. And it does like this weird wiggle all the way down and then to Toronto. Right, so then I'm gonna get into Toronto, and I'll be able to ride from Toronto down on one of the mini daily trains down to Windsor. And then I'm gonna hop across and ride from Detroit to whatever. Plus, I've always wanted to see Detroit from downtown. Like I've been to the airport a bunch of times. Blarp. I've been, where is it? Where's 8 Mile? Is it by Utica, I think? Or maybe this is 8 Mile, whatever. Anyway, wherever the suburbs cut off Detroit and like completely screw over the city. So I've been up in that area, and then I've been down through on the loop here. But then I had gone up 75. So I've never been like really in downtown Detroit much. I think I might have gone by this little part here. Yeah, over by the like some of the rail yards and stuff. I've done that. Yeah, the Ford Dearborn. That's where I went by, and then I must have done that 94, 96. Anyway, never really got downtown that much. Never really did much stuff. So I'd like to see the decay of Detroit, and I want to go see the old train station there. This is this magnificently huge thing, and it's being left and dilapidated. Except they are now trying to renovate it, and they're going to turn it into like big office complex and stuff, because it's a huge building. It's like 10-story building. You know, it's totally usable. It was a train station, and they stopped using it because America went backwards. That's my understanding, Brad, is that there's been a lot of improvement, and even a lot of my bikey friends are like, Detroit's so fucking cool, you should go. I'm like, all right, I'll go check out Detroit. But yeah, so and then these two, I think that's about 3 hours too. So this, I would assume, is about 3 hours. But yeah, Toronto and Montreal, I think that's like 6 hours or something. Oh yeah, Telegraph Road, Dire Straits. Memories. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm not gonna sing Cat's show tunes. Oh, now I closed the whole stupid thing. Come back, Firefox. I'm glad I set the setting to bring it back and open it up, because I hit the wrong button all the time. It's because I'm on a Mac, but I'm using a Linux VM. Anyway, let's see here. Okay, so we're ready to do it. So run nux generate, npx generate, generate. So what do we get? How do we get rid of these warnings? I need to get rid of these warnings. These are silly. Client-side fallback created 200.html. Okay, so then what do I do? Like, run? Okay, what is the command? Build. Oh, this is kind of insane. So there's a server, and then there's static stuff. Oh, Nux generate, and then Nux. Oh, that's in dist now? So where's dist? Let's find dist real quick. Oh, there it is. Oh, so that built the website. So I should technically be able to go to. Nope, this is confusing. Oh no, it's not. There it is. So open to the side. No, like open it. Obviously that's not listening. Open with, yeah, that's what I want to do. Where's my option? What happened? npx dev? What is? Yeah, I'll do that. npx. Oh wait, Nux dev. So I guess like this runs a server. Right? Yeah, start server serving static application from dist. Oh, it's serving the static app. I could just go to the static app though. Does that actually have the view that I'm using too? Oh, I hit the wrong button. I want to just, no, I just want to copy. That's all I want to do. Oh, can I click on this? No, I can't. So it's just being ridiculous. Anyway, so I'm going to run it. Then let's go to it. And what do we got? Paste and go. So pretty. So what's GitHub? There's the logo. Okay, we just looked at that. And then documentation, that's whatever too, I guess, yeah. So it's hosting it via the server, but I should be able to go and just type like, open up a file and go to, and get directorate, distribution file, and then go to index, and it should be the same thing, right? WTF, what in the world is going on? I mean, because generate creates the static site content, right? Isn't that what I just said? Let's do this. And npx next generate. We'll do it one more time. Why not? Yeah, no changes selected. Output directory dist, generated pages, generated route / line side fallback page. Okay. So what are you doing? Launch the development server. Build and optimize the application with Webpack for production. Start the production server. Use it for Node.js, hosting like Heroku, DigitalOcean, etc. Okay. Oh, and then static. So that's server. But then there's this static. So this is saying do the same thing here, but then there's the start. But then there's... how do you actually designate the difference? That doesn't make any sense. I guess because something is set to target. Is that in the package.json? Yeah, oh yeah, right here. Oh, that's, okay, that's what it is then. So where's package.json? There it is. And then, what is going on in my IDE? No, don't do this. There we go. Okay. So I looked in this a minute ago because I was trying to figure out what version of Vue it's using. And this is Nux.js. I guess it's, oh no, version 1.0.0 is my app. And then here it is. So this is generate, Nux.js generate. Wait, what does it say? It says dev, build, start, generate. But how is it target? All right, but where is target? I didn't see it. When in doubt, just look at everything. Here we go. And this thing. Oh yeah, so I do have static enabled. Okay. And I do want to do static. I think. Do I want to do static? I don't know. It's going to be static for now, whatever the case. Relation, name, content name. But, so I think, okay. SSR false. Server-side rendering. Yeah, I don't want to do that because it's static. All right, so that's in that. What file was that? That was in nux config.js, which is, good God, where is that at? Nux. Oh, it's right there by the package.json. So does that show? Actually, let's do this. Let's do view. Common.js, view just components, view just view renderer, view app. So I'm using view 2, not 3. Oh yeah, there it is, view 2.6.12. Okay, so let's see here, Nux.js. Oh crap, let's see, I want to do Next.js next then. Because, yeah, that's not good. That's not what I want. Next. Docs, routing, installation. Let's find next. No. Where is that at? Come on, damn it. Anyway, so next. Render a specific route. No, I don't want to do that. I want... This is frustrating. Use Vue.js 3 with Next. Oh yeah, there, maybe that says something. Support Vue 3 issue blah. It's like a freaking year ago. Does not respect Next.js issue template. Oh, yeah. Right, so somebody point to it. Oh, here we go. View next. Really? No. See, I shouldn't have to do this to find the damn thing. Oh, I want to do that. Update the version specified for Next in this. No. Okay. That's Nux new project with Vue.js 3. Is that's a video? I don't want to watch a video. Here I'm making a video and I don't want to watch a video. PCLI. This is pissing me off. Default V3 preview. Hell, maybe I don't want to use View 3 Vite. Okay, maybe we're doing that. Maybe we're doing... I don't care about the features right now. I mean, I already know about some of the features. I want to use it. All you have to do is this. Project folder, install our dependencies, and then run the app. I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. Maybe I should do that. God, this is pissing me off. Creating your first Vue 3 project, a Vue tutorial. Nuxt.js. Features, return on also go to deployment. What about Azure Portal? Servers running Node 8 or later. The backend. You know, yeah, actually, I'm out on that one. Nuxt.js is going to be for another day. So I want to do Vue 3. That's from December, so that's a year old. Last updated February 15th. That's pretty cool. It's officially here. It's announcement. Blah blah blah. Here's code base. Getting started. Let's do that. Yeah, a few different options. Da da da. Vue CLI. Vite. Well, let's install. Let's use Vite. Let's try out Vite. And then what is this? We're gonna zonk this one. All right. We're about to get into new territory here for sure. No more of this. Inget directorate is gone. We'll recreate it as a Vite project. Where is it? Oh, it's npm. Let's do that. Okay, so npm, not in there. Damn it. Where's my terminal? There we go. So npm init Vite app. And the project name, so we'll call that Inget Directorate. All right, here we go. Really? Snap, that was fast. So then let's do npm. Oh, I got moved into it already, so you don't have to do cd project name. Right? That's okay, that's cool. So then npm install. And npm run dev. Bop, bop, bop. Yeah. Okay, getting there. And then what's it say? And then go to localhost. Bundling your project for production, okay. Managing asset URLs. Built-in TypeScript support. Yay. Understanding the Vue 3 component. Options API, composition API. Oh, hello world view. Reactive data in the composition API. Creating reactive data with ref. Okay. Cool. Well, okay. That's working. Let's go back over here, and I'm going to actually go into this and I guess open a terminal because I need to do that. And then let's take a look at this puppy. All right, so I didn't take notes. I thought I took notes. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, here we go. Read me this thing. 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay. And then Vue.js notes. Yeah. So that's, I got stuff to add. Oh, and the Hasura notes. Okay. So Hasura notes. So while that's happening, I'm gonna actually go out here and oh dear Lord, where is that happening? Oh crap, look where it's putting it. It's putting it in the trash. Stop putting it in the trash. Right? Yeah, it's confused. Oh, because I deleted it, it's still in there. Damn it. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Codes, okay. Directorate. Okay, and then what was my command? Let's get this going again. So, oh, actually, I should do that at the root. Let's do this, and then remove ref inget directorate. Okay, and then go back to that command. Yeah, that's what I want. And then is it gonna? Oh, it didn't actually put me in it. I don't know what was going on with that last bit, but I was in the trash, so whatever. It was in the trash. So we did that, and then we need to do npm install. There we go. Okay. Progress. And then what was the next thing? Oh, and then npm run dev. Can't copy and paste it. That's weird. Pre-building something? What? Whatever. So let's go look at the localhost there. Localhost 3000. Hey, there we go. Count is 0. What? Oh, right. Whatever. Cool. So that's step 1 there. So I did that. So Vue.js notes. Vue.js notes. Oh, but you know, I did that, and then oh, good. Okay. Vue.js 3. We got Vue.js 3. That's what we wanted. All right. God. So progress finally. Yep. Did that. And then we followed, what commands did we follow? Let's put those in real quick. Does this copy it? No? No? Can't copy any of this stuff. That's crap. So we did this. We did npm init vit app inget directorate, and then we did npm install and then npm run dev, right? Yep, run dev. So that was our first step there. And I'm gonna kill this because we just did that. We got the site running there. And then over here, that's that stuff, okay. So and then in here, I actually want to do our data stuff. So I'm going to add Hasura init, Hasura, actually just Hasura, we're just going to do Hasura. So go into that. And then because I want to make sure, oh, where is it? Let's see here. I think I added, yeah, okay. So the CLI is in there. I'm gonna make sure what version, because I'm gonna get the latest version of this too. Okay, Alpha 4 of 2.0. That's what I want. And then I'm gonna do Hasura scripts help because I forget the command, and it's Hasura scripts And I'm in the Hasura directory, so this is, okay, yep, that's what I want. Update project v3. Oh, and I don't even have anything running yet, so I need to go do that. And then an ingot. Let's get our, oh, we need the compose file. Oh, that's something I'm trying to do. Firefox. So nope. Where's my shortcut key? My shortcut key has died on me. Oh well. We're gonna get into, there we go, Firefox. And then Hasura Docker quick start. Done this like 50 times in the last 2 days. So I'm gonna do that. Then get the Docker compose file, get version 2 here. So we'll do wget. Where's it? Hasura notes. So we upgraded to v3 metadata spec using v2 of Hasura API / image. It's going to be that. Oops, not that. There we go. Oops, not that either. 2, 3. There we go. And this is going to be Hasura scripts command. I'll add it in a second. All right. And then in here, back in the Hasura list. Wait, I go back out here. Oh yeah, I do want to put it in there. I'm going to put my Docker compose in there. Yep. Right? Yep, so then I'll get Docker compose up /d. Cool. So then my container, okay, my backend is going to be running. I got that running. Clear. And then let's hear what else. Upgraded to v3 metadata script. Oh yeah, so that's running. So then I can do the update to metadata script, which is Hasura scripts help Hasura scripts update project v3. Oh, because I'm already, cool, okay, I'm already using the right one then. It already made the right metadata thing. Oh God, with all that done, let's actually, I think Hasura scripts, update project v3, Docker compose, okay. And then here, metadata migration seeds, Docker compose. Okay, we got all the bits. We got all the bits we need. Compose, and then I'm gonna go and start Hasura console. Yeah. Oh yeah, and since I don't want to accidentally use the wrong console in the Docker compose, I'm gonna actually do this. Let's see here. List. That's not that. I want to open it in code. Docker compose, I want to turn this to false. Okay, clear. I'm using this, so that should work. All right, and then data. All right, that's all fine and dandy. But then, we have the default database. I don't want the default database. I'm gonna go in. Actually, we'll use the default database. That's fine. We can use that one. But we do want to break out, I think, by schema. No, we're going to do multiple ones. So actually, I'm going to... So I'm going to remove this for the... No, I'm not going to remove it just yet. I'm going to go over here and figure out... So what I need to do is I need to get the connection string. I need more Postgres's. That's what I need. Oh, but it's not. There's only the one database that's been created. So I need to have. I probably need to have like a Terraform or something to create the databases beforehand. I need the databases created before I can set. I need databases, and I need to be able to get the strings. So here, how do I explain this? So I want to connect multiple databases here, but I need to set up the connection strings, which are, let's see here, in the Docker Compose. So here's the initial connection string, right? So and then I need other ones. I need to be able to have two other connection strings set up. So database URL, and then it has Hasura, GraphQL, database, ports. Yes, and we'll do this like this. Okay, and then there is the metadata string. I'm gonna look up. Hasura github.io / ask me anything. I put the string over here in somewhere. Oh yeah, in this one. Oh yeah, that's the string I need for the environment variable. That's the string for the metadata. It's in the docs too, so it's not like I actually needed to go there specifically to find it. I could have just looked in the docs. And I'm gonna do that. And then this is gonna be metadata. This is gonna be core third, that's what I'm gonna call it. And this is gonna be called reporter. So that's going to be my environment variables. That should work for that. But then I'm definitely going to need. Okay, yeah. So let's see if I can get this to work now. So I'm going to remove this one, I think. Default. Yeah, there we go. And then let's do this. Docker compose down. Docker compose. Whoops. Close up, -d. Cool. And that means I should be able to go in, do hasura.console now. What? Why is it saying, so here's my config, so localhost, Docker compose. Okay, well, let's turn this back on just for good measure. Config, so then I can do Docker compose down, Docker compose up. Damn it, I type U too much for whatever reason. All right. That worked, and then Hasura console. I mean, I literally just ran this a minute ago. Perplexed by what it is. So there's that, and then there's that one. Yeah, what the hell? Is it because do I not have, oh, what was this? This is that. So do I need to add that? So things are, I broke something. Okay, let's take these out then. Let's do this. Then let's take this one. So it doesn't like it when I add more of these variables. Let's see if I can add it post facto like this. Damn it, that breaks it. Okay. That's not cool. So that works. Why can't I just add arbitrary freaking things? Well, okay, so that's working. Let's do this. What did it say? Oh, is something not stopped? Is that what the problem is? That could be what it is. Connect data source, environment variable. Oh, shoot. Damn it, hellfire. Down. Let's try this. Pretzel has definitely gotten so much better at what they do. That's awesome. Damn it, restarting still. Let's do this then. Let's do Docker compose down. Then we're going to do Docker compose up and take a look at what termination is happening. What database doesn't exist? Oh, right, the metadata one. Oh, yeah, so... Okay, I got a solution for this. I know I'm going to fix it. So I did this in another repo somewhere. So let's do that. Let's take this and do new file. And we're going to call this Terraform. Oh wait, databases dot. Oh whatever. We'll call it main.tf because that's what everybody seems to want to call the damn thing. Yeah, sure. Search the marketplace. Give me the HCL. We've already installed this. I'm pretty sure. Anyway. Okay. So then github.com/this, and then /me. And then the question is what repo? Is it this one? I don't think it's that one. I think it's oh, it's oh, is that it right there? Oh no, that's just that stupid account. Why can't I do find? Isn't it Control F? Oh. There it is, Adrian's ecosystem. That's what I wanted. So here, I think this is what I'm after. Yeah, perfect. So let's take that and we're gonna go put it in here. So let's see here. This is the Postgres thing. That's for like a local Postgres server, right? Localhost 5432, var.username. Actually, we're gonna hard code these, so we'll go with Postgres and then the super secret for development. So I want it easy to type. There we go. And then yeah, Postgres co-latency is fine. That's fine. On this DB. So this is going to be metadata. And I'm going to get rid of these. There we go. And this is going to be, so owner is Postgres. That's what we want. Username Postgres. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to have metadata, reporting, and then core third, like this. So then let's create a script in here. So we'll say new dev system.shell. And here, we're gonna do oh, do I have Terraform on here? No idea. Probably not, damn it. Okay, let's fix that. Terraform. Go Terraform, all right. Then download. We're on Linux, so let's get those 64-bit. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't know I get a file, I guess. Zip file. Show all downloads. And put this somewhere. All right, so we'll extract it here. What the? Okay, yeah. Well, and then let's open terminal. And we'll do. Let's echo path. And the numbers node. User local bin. That's where it probably should go. So let's do copy Terraform to user local bin. Okay, smart ass. Sudo. There we go. So then Terraform. Yay, magic. Okay. So now we have Terraform. And we closed all the browsers like we didn't want to do. But anyway. So list. Then, oh yeah, Hasura. So we'll do that again, Terraform plan. Oh yeah, they need different. DB metadata. DB reporting. And DB core third. So then we do Terraform plan. So it's Terraform init. Oh, there's not a whole lot in here. Let's go get an ignore file for that real quick. Terraform git ignore GitHub template. I think that'll get it to me. Yeah, this is what I want. All right, all this stuff. So then we're gonna go back down. We're gonna, oh, did I even do this? Oh, I didn't do this. That's why it's weird. So get status, get add dot get ignore. I always like to add that first. Then yeah, everything else looks good. Let's do this though. Let's do, I'm gonna go back up one. And then somewhere I bet there's like a, let's do find view. No? Node. Yeah, there we go, node. Grab all this stuff too. Holy crap, that one's huge now. Boom, okay. So now we're gonna add everything, commit. First app commit. Get status, clear, okay. First things first, back to Hasura, and then, is it new dev system? Okay, they want to do that too. chmod, new dev 700, new dev system. Yes, please. Okay, now I can run it. New dev system, not do anything. Echo, starting dev environment. Cool. All right, so first things first, let's do, how do we do this? Docker compose. Oh yeah, we'll do Docker compose up -d, and then we'll do Terraform apply, auto apply. I guess what, something like that. Plan. Yeah, okay, there we go. Terraform apply. And let's see, is it auto apply? It might be one word. Crap, no, it's not that. It's auto approve. Oh, come on. Damn it. No, 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 no. Anyway, Terraform apply auto approve. Right. Okay, so we need to do Docker compose up -d. And we need to do Terraform apply auto approve. Damn it. Yeah, localhost 5432 Postgres. Oh, that's not what I got. It's this. Right. Yep. Okay. And then go back into main TF. Let's get that password in. And let's try that. No. Please install Terraform and make it available. What? Manage extension. Oh, it is available. So shush. It's on 3527 DMD greatest resource blah blah blah. So connection refused. Username Postgres. Postgres password. That is what I got in here, right? Postgres. Yeah, Postgres password, Postgres 5432. See, meanwhile, we're still getting the errors, right? Still restarting. Yeah, so let's do Docker compose down. We'll do Docker compose up, and then we'll try that Terraform again. No, why is it not connecting? I've used this before. So you're in here. So in this, let's see, I use this, and then So it's not prod start, it's dev start. So what do? I do Docker compose up, then I do Terraform init, Terraform auto approve. Oh, what is the, did I get the database server wrong probably? So the database server is called, oh, it's called Postgres because super originality. Host, maybe it's that? No, probably it's localhost. So let's open this up and we'll go look and see if we can't get the stupid thing to work. So we're gonna open up WebStorm. Close Visual Studio Code. Opening up inget directorate. So whatever, update, close this, go back to this. Go to Hasura, migration. Yeah, okay. No, don't care about the plugin right now. Don't care about that right now. Keep working Nyancat, you're gonna get it done. So databases, that looks pseudo correct, but okay, let's get this set up right, because this one is what we're really going to be using a bunch. Let's change this to 12 actually. I mean 11 for reasons. Depends on Postgres. So then let's do this. Where is, so window, active window tool, editor tabs. Where's the ones, I know there's a way to connect to the databases here. Where is that at? Structure, favorites, nope. Maybe it's in plugins. Let's go to plugins and check it out real quick. Database Navigator. That's probably what graph database support. That sounds badass. Neo4j, Cypher, Gremlin. Cool. Anyway, not what I'm after. PL SQL, advanced database connection. Postgres, JDBC. Okay. We'll try this one. Database Inspector. Oh, this is the, oh, did I want to, well, we'll do this one too. Yeah, this is actually the one I wanted. Darn it. Well, anyway. So there we go. Let's restart our IDE. I love the Nyancat too. It's just the right touch, you know. It's just good for spirits, good for development morale, you know. Oh, this is some crazy dev today. So slow. Good, clean fun. Yeah, I was just about to say, need like the Black Flag Nyancat too. That'd really be insane. Be like some anarchy Nyancat. All right, so that restarted. Code with me, yep, installed, updates, blah, blah, blah. Terraform state because it's trying. This, then main. Oh good, got the color coding and stuff in there now. All right, so this is gonna be Docker. and eventually Terraform apply, auto approve, and yes, please install some stuff, I guess. Love to see it. Okay, Postgres. When it should still be running. Let's actually check. Terminal. Alright, still running. Yeah, it's restarting 6 seconds ago. We're getting there. We're getting there. Postgres. Comment. Whatever. Host. Localhost 5432. It's Postgres. And then... Oh, geez. I don't remember what the password is. I set that like an hour ago. There we go. So then test that connection. Oh, download missing drivers. Thanks, 9cat. Test connection. Okay, well, what the heck is... Get out of here. So it says it's launching. Launches, uses like the default stuff for Postgres. Oh, what is it? Docker, PS, Docker, PS, no, inspect, Postgres, whoops, Postgres 12. That's not actually what I wanted. It should be on 11. Anyway. Find IP. That's clearly not going to work for me. So host name. Oh, that's a nice host name. I forget how to do this. How do you get to determine what the heck it's on? Oh, you know what? Could use that. Oh, Postgres. Let's try Postgres. Disconnect. Remove, because whatever. And let's do it again. Data source. Data source Postgres. Alright, we're going to go with Postgres. And then database Postgres. Localhost is going to be Postgres. Doesn't make any sense. I don't think it's that, but whatever. Go back in here. Docker Compose is this bit. Go back to WebStorm. Put in the password, and let's test that connection. Unknown host. Okay. So let's try localhost again. Localhost. I just tried. There's. So this is the thing, but it's localhost post. That's that's not. Okay, let's go back over here. Oh, wait, bring the code back up. All right, so it's this, and I don't care about the database right now. What? Hey Banatoli, how are you? I'm trying to figure out some Docker stuff here. I have this database and I'm not sure why You know what does the other Docker compose do? Docker compose, restart, password, 54325. Did I not do that? I'm gonna be mad at myself if that's what I didn't do. Let's go back to code. Damn it. Hellfire. YAML's spacing silliness. Okay, time to kill that now. So kill that Docker compose down. Compose up. What happened? Unstructured timestamp. Right, you can't connect to server. Oh wait, these are the Docker stop. Oh god. Damn it. Okay, Docker images. Let's kill these images. Docker, RMI. We're gonna kill this one. Oh, I keep doing so much of this wrong. It's been a long week, y'all. It's been a super long week. All right, there we go. How are you doing, Banatoli? Anything interesting going on this week? Are you sitting into Friday right now, or are you like in Saturday? Where are you at? Oh, you subbed? You rock. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I haven't added. I gotta add y'all as friends. Y'all are my friends. So many things to add friends to. Oh, Virginia. Okay, you're just off 3 then. First warm week, huh? This is like our 5th warm week out here in Seattle. Kind of crazy when you think about it. But in Virginia, y'all got all that swamp weather and shit. So it's crazy. I know how it goes. Born in Alexandria. Been there a million times. Been back to a bunch of other parts. I know my good old Virginia. I love the state in many ways. See, I'm going through and clicking add friends because I didn't realize I had to do that. Oh, me and Frackberg are friends. We've been friends for a long time, it looks like. Should I be friends with Stream Elements? Oh yeah, I'm gonna click add friend. What's it do? Oh, it just adds and cancels it immediately. That is hilarious. Oh, and Jackie Chop Chop. We add you as a friend too, Jackie Chop Chop, wherever you're at. Okay, that's good. Back to the end of. That's right. Thrashing Code is nationwide, worldwide, kicking ass and taking names. All right, so. Where are we at here? We're trying to get this to work. This should not be so damn hard, and I think I just figured it out though. So we added the local host. So then we need to do Docker compose. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. What up with that now? So let's do this. Let's do Docker compose down. Then Docker compose up, compose up. It used to contain a database. No route to host. Connection failed. Sync failed. Cannot connect to server. What the hell? Oh, okay. That's what's killing it. All right, well, damn it. Hold on. So where is my... Let's do this. I need to find this directory. Well, whatever. We'll change back to 12 for now. Don't really need to use 11 anyway. Brand new database. Is ready to accept connections. Sweet. Sweet. Oh, Mother Mary. Let's do this. Okay, where came actually, you know what? Let's kill this. Then Docker compose up -d, and then we're gonna do Terraform apply. Yes, please. God, thank you. Finally. You know you're kind of tired when you're going through stuff, you're missing stuff, and it's taking you like an hour to do 20 minutes work. All right, so we got our databases, which means, come on, 13 seconds of uptime. It must be connecting to the databases. Let's do this. Let's do this thing. Hell yeah. Okay, data, manage. Okay, this is that one. Okay, we don't need that one though. Let's do this. A little tricky here. Connect database, environment variable, and then oh yeah, what is it? We need. Here we go. Do this one. Actually, let's put the metadata first, like so. Okay. So we're going to take that one. Put that in there. We'll call this metadata. Oops, metadata. Connect to database. Cool. Connect to database. And then we're going to do core third. Like that. That's going to be Postgres. And that is this one. Oh wait, but we want to do this core third. Because I don't even care about the Postgres database. I want them to be my database names. What? No. It's there. See, it's right here. Actually, let's do this. Core third. And reports should be there. That should be there already, actually. So let's see about that. What? Can it not? Connection error, type source. Okay, hold on. Let's go look at it. And that should not work now, right? Yep, look at that. Hell yeah. No databases selected. Right, because just give me all the databases. There we go. So core third, metadata, and reporting are all there. That, you love to see it. You love to see it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Core third, metadata, and reporting. So we know that stuff's there, so let's go back here. There's where it's created, and it's using the Postgres password. So over here in Docker Compose, these things should be good. Let's do a restart on those real quick. All right, we'll kill the console, then Docker Compose down, then Docker Compose up, -d. And then let's go back to Asura console. There we go. Data, manage. Okay, so it saved that one. Come on, don't flake on me on the other ones. Reporter. Why? Oh, let's go with we'll just do database URL. So this one is that. What? No. Impetuously ridiculous. Let's do this one. What's it do? Default. Oh, well, I was just doing the localhost 5432. And then Postgres, and Postgres password. Oh crap! Postgres password, and then Postgres. So why did that one? Why did that first one create? Metadata one. Oh, reload. Let's do that. Okay, reloaded. Connect database, connect, Let's do it by database URL. Let's do this. Reporter. No. Let's try that. Reporter. Oh, this is so frustrating. What did I do now? What is up now? Reporter reason type. You know what? That's kind of works for me though. Let's do that. I'm gonna zonk this one out. Wait a sec, what'd you say? I am exposing the DP port. I mean, it's a local development server. Also, hello, Abelbono. How are you? Yeah, so what I'm trying to do, actually, is connect to the different database connections, which I have the connections to, right? Something's missing. Something is not authenticating to them for whatever reason. Even though if I go over here, I'm authenticated to all my databases. Metadata, there it is right there. No schema because I haven't added a schema, etc. Right? But anyway, my databases are connected to. They're connectable. Reporting, metadata, and core third. And let's see. So there's Hasura metadata export. Let's do that. Let's see what we get. Yeah, there we go. So this is the metadata database. What's it have in here as defaults? Functions, nothing. Tables, nothing. Okay, that's what we want, because we just want the connections. So in here, we want Terraform approve, and then we want Hasura metadata apply. So I need to do this. Let's do another one, and let's do it from here. We'll just do it this way. So I'm going to do third. And we'll call this, it's not metadata, we're calling it core third. That's what we're calling it. Core third. And then retry. Yep, that looks right. Tables. in, oh yeah. I don't know if I need that yet. Let's see if, I wonder if I do, actually let's include that metadata, and then we'll do core third. We'll do core third here, and then let's add a folder. Core third. And then we'll add functions and tables. I'll just copy and paste them because they're empty anyway. Yes, please. Thank you. Yep, as you can see there, functions, nothing, tables, empty array. All right, so close that, close that, close that, close this, close that, close this, close that. And then let's do a Hasura apply. See, we'll get Hasura metadata apply. Oh, snap. So if I do Hasura console, I don't need that anymore. Data, manage. Oh, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Weird. Okay, so I'll just add it via the metadata. That's all fine and dandy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So the other one is, what did I call it? I think I called it reporter. Oh, just reports. Put that down here. I'm gonna add another one in this YAML thing, I guess. So add that, and then add reports. Get rid of that extra space just in case. And then here I want to add, oops, I want to call it reports. And then we'll add reports and reports. Right, yep, Hasura GraphQL database reports. It's beautiful. And then we'll add the folder or directory reports, and then let's add the folders inside of that. Yeah, excellent. Most excellent. Let's see here, Control A to add to the commit. And then let's see here. Go to terminal, clear, go into Hasura, and then Hasura metadata apply. Let's see if that works while I'm running, oh, I'm not running Hasura console. What? Please do so and click on the reload. Oh, I broke something, didn't I? This is the report one, yeah. So what's it say? Inconsistent data source. Oh, hogwash. Let's go look. See if when I fat fingered. So metadata, reports, go in here, reports folder. Functions, no. Tables, wait a second. Oh, I guess they're empty arrays everywhere. Let's delete it all and see what happens. All the inconsistent objects in metadata. Okay. So then if I go back over here, Oh. Yeah, so I was exposing the port, like you said, and then I'm doing this. So, got the metadata in there. What is the deal here? Is this spacing off? Like what is the malfunction? From environment variable, that's what I want. Database reports. And I go down here to Docker compose, database reports, database called reporter. Oh, do I need to call? Let's call this reporter. And let's call this reporter and reporter. And we'll go and change this to what did you find? Did I just change a bunch of stuff I didn't need to? Haha. All right, so then okay. Reason connection error. Reporting. Oh, do I need to change it to not reporter, maybe call it Oh, and then I should probably go and let's change, let's see in here. So main.tf, DB metadata. So what did I change to? Yeah, reporting. So the database is reporting. This probably does need to synchronize with that. Interesting. Good trial and error. Good trial and error. Get it figured out. Get it added. Okay. Let's go back up here. Go to databases. Reporting, reporting, reporting. All right, let's do that. Let's do that. See where we get. Metadata actions. Okay, maybe I should stop doing this while I'm doing the other thing. Another good valid experiment in my book. What? Data. Okay, let's do this then. Delete that one. Go back in here. Go back to what I was doing here. I'm gonna remove that. So just gonna do metadata in core third because it worked just a second ago. Okay. And then let's see if we can apply that. There, okay, so that's applied. Yeah, so then let's do Hasura console. So did not get the explosion this time. Metadata in core third. Manage. I don't actually need the reporting database right now. It's an environment variable, but I'm trying to get it installed, trying to set it up. Oh, let's change this to reporter. Oh no. It needs, oh, is this not, hold on a second. We're gonna do this. Oh, had I left it? Probably so, Alabama. Docker compose up /d. I think I have everything named now, don't I? I'm gonna find out in a minute. So I at least have these done. So reporter name is consistent now. I don't actually need this open anymore. I have this available. Okay, and then databases is that. So let's do Hasura metadata apply, and then Hasura console. And then let's go into data and see if we can't get this puppy to connect the environment this way. And then we'll call this reporter. See, that's the error here too. So forget that. Let's go over here, kill that, and then yeah, I'm going to try it again, like you mentioned. There we go. So and then this is going to be databases reporter, environment variables reporter. So we'll have this, then reporter, so and then under databases, there we go. And then we want to get these and copy those in there. At least I presume. Okay. K. I think that's what it was. Good call, Avalbona. Or Avlibona. Bonafide. Cool. Okay, so that worked. We're making progress now. Finally progress. And we're at the point though where we need to start thinking about who are we going to raid. Think about it. Let me know, who should we raid? I'm gonna keep banging along here for a minute just to get this stuff going because I want to see this in the console. But who should I raid? Who should we raid? Oh, now it says inconsistent state again. You know, we're just not going to have a reporting database right now. That's what we're going to do. Because I want to end on the note where we have success. So there's our two databases. Yes. Okay. So that's in there. We'll kill that now. We're going to go in here, get rid of the reporting database, because we really don't need it anyway. So that's gone. And reporting database, also gone. And then, let's see here, what's our commit look like? Lots of good stuff. Latest changes, so informative. So I'm going to commit those. That's, damn it, well anyway, I'll fix that later. Didn't want to commit the IDA directory. But all right, so join me for a raid. We are going to raid somebody. Let's start taking a look at this. Who we got here? We got Zorchenheimer. Zorchenheimer is out there coding. But we got some people that I don't follow too. That Twitch is actually starting to like suggest these days. Like, let's see, who is this? This is Shirley, who is an award-winning creative focused on data-driven art and visualizations. And they're taking a look at the Netlify pages. That might be pretty cool. So let's see here. Caitlin something. Should we raid Caitlin, who has a chicken ad first, I guess? I'm just being reading up on chat. I'll catch up soon, I hope. Whatever that means. Then there's Last Miles. You agree to be here. Data viz. Pomodoro studied for my real analysis final. Okay, I'm not going to go study right now. Just don't feel like studying. Freckled Science is just chatting. To work for myself. This sounds cool. Caitlin sounds pretty cool. And is projects and the occasional game. Huh. Oh, Art Son. Oh, it's got nice doggies and kitties. Or kitty doggy, I guess. All right. Who we raiding? Let me know. I think we're gonna raid Sawu. Zuzwu. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna raid her. See what's up. So raid SXYWU. There we go. So join me for a raid. It's been great. It's been awesome. It's Friday. Everybody get some rest. We've learned so much this week. It's kind of mind-boggling. And I appreciate much everybody being here and joining me, thrashing out to some code, all that good jazz. Catch you next week. Monday will be day 6 of 100 Days of Code. And we're going to get into more of this, do some of that Vue.js stuff and that kind of jazz, and make these things work. We're going to get it working. And if you're wondering, yes, it's a massive multi-tenant application that we're building. It's going to be seriously kick-ass. So again, happy thrashing code. Catch you next week. Cheerio.
Ooh. Hello. Hello, Thrashing Code. Thank you so much for raiding. Welcome in. Welcome in, everyone. Hello. Hello, how are you today? What are you up to? What, or I guess, what were you up to? Just started. I am so slow. We spent the first hour talking and chatting, which is much longer than I intended, but it was a good conversation. Then we spent the second hour talking about how to implement this design I have. Yes, just started. And now I'm finally setting up Netlify. Ooh, you're so nice, Thrashing Code. It happens. It's Friday. Yes, it is Friday. Building some Hasura backend stuff for this new 100 Days of Code thing I'm building in Vue.js to learn Vue.js. Awesome. What is Hasura? Oops. Ooh, oh, thank you for hosting. What do you usually stream? Oh, awesome. JavaScript, Python, C#. Oh, a GraphQL backend. Turn it on and point it on a database and boom, got a GraphQL endpoint. Actually never used GraphQL. On day 6. Every day at 2 p.m. Pacific. Awesome. Yeah, of course. Thank you for the raid. Hold on. Oh, it is a beautiful sunny day today. All right. Okay, let's do this. So, a new site. I want to configure the Netlify app on GitHub. Oh, it's because when I first did this, I only did Netlify one time before with Jason. Apparently, I said to only allow access for specific repositories. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new repo, which is gonna be the same repo that I just deleted earlier. But I'm gonna call it the name of my website, make it public, and create repository. And then I will do that in a little bit, but I'm gonna say just, and then I'm gonna tell, I'm gonna then tell Netlify. I'm hoping that I don't have any sensitive information for this in either of these, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna tell Netlify that I want, to give permission for just this repo. Awesome. Couldn't access, is empty or disabled. Okay, it is empty. That is true. So let's go and do the thing. Let's set it up in GitHub desktop. GitHub desktop is warming up. Is there, okay, so I feel like I've been out of the work, like I guess full-time work scene for a while. So, short click. And I'm wondering, is there still that whole like, oh, you should do everything via command line, like don't use desktop apps kind of thing, culture going on? Because, or sorry, not don't use GUIs, use command line. Or like I feel like when I first started there was like you're less of a programmer if you use a GUI and not the command line. Is that still going on? I have no idea. I've always found that kind of silly. Well, no, I used to be intimidated by it for a long time, and now I find it silly. Probably because I now have the confidence to find it silly. Okay, so we're finally going into, well actually, hold on. Got it, Jayshu. Do it all in VS Code. Oh man. Tick, that is quite a workaround. If the image is relative position across two columns, maybe a block element is under half of the image and floated left, so the text wraps around on the right. Oh man, you already know the dimensions of everything. That is true, sir. Sorry, I just assumed that you were a sir. Sorry about that. Although, you know, that is a really good idea, actually, because I have this description for the image underneath that anyways in the left column. So that's actually a really brilliant suggestion. Tick, you're amazing. Did we just solve it? Did we just solve it?